o Dinamic Show. Estamos com uma apresentação nas escolas do SESI para dar nossa energia e mostrar nosso talento. E é isso aí, Dinamic Show. Show!
To the floor, now let me see your hips. Uh-oh, lean back, girl, you got some mean racks. You got a mean, and I really mean that. But can't you see that I need a girl that can move, make her hips and look just like you? But got to think about it, I think this club is crowded. It's kinda hard to do your thing with everyone surrounded. So let me form a circle, everybody step back. I heard somebody yell, Savage with the chorus down. Oh shoot, shake it. I'm moving like a gypsy. Stop, won't back it up, now let me see your hips. Oh shit, shake it. I'm moving like a gypsy. Stop, won't back it up, now let me see your hips. Now drop it low and let me see your hips. Now to the floor, now let me see your hips. Now drop it low and let me see your hips. Now to the floor, now let me see your hips.
Oh nah nah, oh nah nah, that's what I said when I hit the dough. She got a dough. And the club don't close till I say so.
Oh shoot, shake it, I'm moving like a gypsy. Stop, won't back it up, now let me see.